Okay, so you guys, now I really do not know what happened to my talking intro and outro portion. That's why you don't see one here. Usually you would see one. But so we're just going to go ahead and get right into this video. I'm priming my eyelids with my Kat Von D's Lock and Conceal. I'm going to blend it out with my beauty blender.
Take my Laura Mercier translucent to set this concealer.
So I'm going to go into my Nubian palette by Juvia's Place.
Why did you let go? Tell me, why did you leave me? I feel like all of me is gone. I know you're gone when it's raining. It's raining. Why did you let go? I'm using nothing but Juvia's Place palettes for this video. I'm going to be taking the Magic palette by Juvia's Place. And I'm going to be taking this color right here. Okay, so this is a blending brush by Kayla. The next one I'm going to be taking Yejidit, and I'm going to be taking this eyeshadow brush by Real Techniques. So I want to place it in my crease. Tell me, why did you leave me? I feel like all of me is gone. I know you're gone when it's raining. It's raining.
And now I'm just going to take a tapered eyeshadow brush from Ruby Kisses and blend it out. By Juvia, and I'm going to take Chad, this color right here. I'm going to put it into my crease. The key, you don't want to get your eyeshadows too close to your brow bone, because you get them too close to your brow bone, I look so crazy. But if you get them too close to your brow bone, it just won't look right. Because you want to be able to still have a brow bone. You know, because I like brow bone highlights, okay? So yeah, we're just going to blend this on. Back into the Nubian 2 palette, and I'm going to take this color right here, and it's called Cleopatra. And I hope this color is so freaking vibrant, y'all, because this is my first time trying these palettes, and I don't know how vibrant it is. Contour. I'm going to take my Artist Contour Diamond Glow Powder in the color Conceited, and I'm going to use this as my brow bone highlight.
You ain't the one for me. You ain't got shit I need. Want me to take my time with you. Maybe I'm not your speed. Maybe I'm not your league. You ain't even got no cheese. Maybe I'm just too G for you. Maybe I'm just too street. I can even roll in peace. Everybody notice me.
because I've got so like dramatic with my eyes, so I kind of don't want to do any blush. Well, I really don't want to do any blush at all. So I'm just going to take my Artist Couture again and Conceited, and then I'm just going to glow up my face, highlight my face.
You don't know what you're doing to me. You don't know what you're doing to me.
I'm going to take my Cosmetics Mystic Hydrating Treatment, and it's also a setting spray. I'm just going to take my Tarteist Tarte mascara and put some mascara on my eyes. Next, I'm going to be using my Mercici Virgo lashes. I really done wore these things like 15 times, y'all, and I just tell y'all, like, I love these lashes so freaking much. Like, oh my god. Hey, about to do my lips. I did just line my lips, and now I'm going to be taking my NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the color Athens. You guys, I just recently bought this color like a couple of weeks ago, and I just have fell in love with this color. Like, oh my god, I love this color. My NYX Lingerie lipstick in the color Push Up. I'm going to put it over this. My NYX Buttercream in the color Creme Brulee, and I'm going to put this over that. So guys, now let's get into the specifications and everything about this unit that I received from Wowebony. You guys, this is Indian Remy hair. I do have a 20-inch, and it is 150 density. Now the 20-inch stops right here on me. The 20-inch stops right here on me. So it's pretty, I think it's long for a 20-inch, because usually a 22-inch will stop right there on me, or, you know, something like that. But it's pretty long for a 20-inch. And I like that, you know, pay less money for them extra inches, okay? Because usually the longer the inch, the more money you pay, but you know, I really like it. Okay, and then you guys, this did come pre-plucked. This is a body wave texture. When I first see this wig, it came curly like body wave. I worked with the wig, and I was just like, well, you know what, let me just straighten it out. So I straightened out the wig, and then this is how it came out, and it's just like, like, yeah, like you guys, you know, I just love sleek straight hair. Like, I love sleek straight hair, for real. I didn't really like it in the body waves texture. I probably have to curl it myself and do it, because that was just, you know, sent through the mail, and I just, you know, when you receive wigs, you can't just put it on your head and just looks good like that. You know, some extra work you have to do to it, okay? But even though I didn't do no extra work, I just straightened it out, you guys, and I was just like, oh, damn, that's the look we're going for, because it's sleek and straight, and I like sleek straight hair. Okay, I'm going to leave all the links and everything to this wig down below. You guys, this wig is $201. Now, I did ask them to give me a petite wig cap, because my head is petite. I have like a pea head, like, you know, my head is really small out here, so I needed something, and the wig just fits so snug on my head. It has some adjustable straps in the back of the wig, and it also has some combs on the inside of the wig. I did get a middle part design. I did get a middle part. I didn't get the free part this time. I just got a middle part, because, you know, I really didn't feel like plucking anything, and I was just like, you know, let's just stick to the middle part, because that's just what I feel like doing, you know. I don't really feel like plucking anything, you know. So that's what that was. And yeah, so when I did ask for a petite cap, so it took a few extra days to make it. So it got here, instead of 3 to 5 days, it got here in 10 days because it did take them extra days to make this. So now I've been wearing this wig for about a couple of weeks now. It is pretty soft. I do like the sheen and the luster on it. Now you guys, I've been wearing this for about 2 weeks and I haven't washed it yet. So I have not washed this in 2 weeks and it still looks pretty good. I just re-straightened the wig for the video and it looks really good. Like, I don't know if you guys are picking up the luster on the camera. I get some strands of shedding. However, I'm not getting no strands of shedding right now. You guys, that always happens. For some reason, whenever I film like hair videos, something like that, I get strands of shedding like throughout the day. But then when I go to sit down to film a video, I don't get no shedding. I don't know. But yeah, I'm not getting no shedding right now. The wig doesn't have a smell to it. It doesn't stink. It doesn't smell like corn chips. Don't smell like feet, you know. Don't smell like that. I don't want to have no wig that smells like corn chips and feet. That's just not going to happen. I like the packaging, girl. They sent me some needle and thread that I'm definitely going to be using for some upcoming videos. So, you know, like, and then it's like you can sew your wig down. Like, girl, who sends you needle, thread, elastic bands, freaking duck clips as well? Like, what? Wowebony, get into it, okay? Because they're doing everything and above. Like, I'm very here for this. Very here for this, okay? I feel like this is a good on-the-go wig as well. So if you're like just on the go, you could just pop this on your head. You know, it fits my head to a T like that. So if you just want to just find something very, very quick, and you know, this is just perfect for you. I love on-the-go wigs, you know, just on the go. Grab it, throw it on, and go. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.